Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today, we showcase you technically silver chariot with Andrew's chariot. We showcase you at the moment. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a tutorial how to cook this. And you might be saying, oh, you can just leave it cook for 2 minutes, or we can do it alternatively. But I mean alternatively, very alternatively, in a microwave. Alright, I'm gonna turn on the lights real quick so y'all could see. Well, that's a piece of powder in there. You put it in there, set it for 2 minutes. Now that's a beauty right there, look at that. And, well, here I thought I was cooking for two. So, if you want the same trick, I think the same trick goes to every single ramen here. So, cooking tutorial how to cook ramen. So, take my advice. Cook it in a microwave. Right there.